Good afternoon, students. Up to last class, we have discussed certain properties of matter. Now, today is the turn of discussion density. Now, what is the density? Actually, you can say the mass per unit volume. In words, if we say that mass per unit volume is called density. What do you mean by mass per unit volume? Actually, number of atoms, particles present in limited mass, limited volume. This is called as density. Look here. Look here, if we see, these are the two different substances. In this substance, the particles are like this, and in this manner, in this way, there are particles are, yes, in this condition, particles are closely packed. It means you can say particles tightly packed, present more dense हो गए हैं, पास पास आ गए हैं. While in this case, particles are stay away from each other. It means its density of one is larger than the density of two. Now look, what is the application of the density? Density की क्या क्या applications हैं देखें. There are a number of the material. Do all material float in water? Or some material float मतलब तैरते हैं, and some material sink in the water. What is the concept of float and sink? So I have taken number one, stone, wood, coin, key and a bowl. We put them in the water. As we put them in the water, you will observe that log of wood and bowl, because it is filled with the air, they float over the surface of water, while stone, coin and keys, these material get sink in the water. Now look, what is the reason behind it? The reason behind it is the density. So how can we define the density? Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. It means the number of molecules in a given volume. If number of molecules larger, they will sink. Number of molecules lower, it will float over the surface of water. So look over here, log of wood having less density than the water. Which one having more density? Water having more density than the log of wood. Look over here, the particles are shown over here. The particles in a given volume, in a given area volume, lower the number of particles, lesser in the wood, while in the water the particles are higher in number. So we can say the particles less in number in particular volume. So we will say that less mass present in per unit volume in case of log of wood or wood, while in the water the number of molecules are larger. That's why on the surface of water log of wood will float. It will not sink in the water. Understood this concept? Now look the second case. In second case, key is having key made up of metals. So keys made up of metals they having. That's why the particle number of, look here, number of particles are larger in case of the key, while the number of particles are lesser in case of the water. So density of key is more than the water. So metal, stone, key, iron, these sink in the water. Now look over here. What we can conclude: substances that are denser or heavier than the water, substances that are heavier or denser than the water will sink at the bottom, while the substances which are lighter in weight, lighter than the water, they will float on the surface of water. A bale having heavier metal, so it will sink in the water. More denser, a feather having less density than the water, so it will float. The substances which having less density float, the substances which having more density, they will sink. Thus we can say, we can classify the substances on the basis of their property of floating or sink in the water. It means on the basis of their density. More density, sink. Lesser density than the water. Density of the object, if more, it will sink. Density of the substance less than the water. Now look, there are two kinds of the water: fresh water, and second one is the salty water, saline water. Saline water, salty water, marine water in the seas, ocean. Fresh water, rivers, lakes, ponds, pools, such kind of the water is the fresh water. Do you know, when if you don't know how to swim in water, you can sink in the river water. You may sink in the river water, pond water, but you will never sink in sea water. Why? Because the density of the sea water much larger than the fresh water. Why the density of sea water is higher? Due to dissolve a number of the salts in it. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे salts dissolved होते हैं. That's why due to dissolving of the a number of the salts, the density of sea water much larger than the fresh water. Number one, do you know Dead Sea? In Dead Sea, no one sink over here. जो भी यहाँ पर डेड सी में जाता है वो उसके ऊपर पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करता रहता है. यू कैन मूव ओवर दी वाटर because it is due to very high density of the water, too much high density of the water. This is the reason behind it. When you look a sheep, a boat, sheep or boat, if sink over the water, swim over the float over the water, then in the sea water it move over the surface. But some part of the sheep will sink if it float in the fresh water. Got it? So today we have learnt what is density. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called its density. Number one. Number two, how the material sink and how the material float over the surface of